What you're looking at right now might be the hardest working living thing in your garden. No roots, no leaves, no flowers, just a worm. Specifically, a red wiggler. And if you're serious about growing food, this little creature is about to become your best friend. I'm Mac, and today we're going deep on Icenia fetida, the red wiggler, what it is, why it matters, and exactly how to put it to work in your garden. Red wigglers aren't your average garden earthworm. The ones you see crawling across the sidewalk after rain, those are night crawlers. Different animal. Red wigglers live near the surface, in the top few inches of organic matter. They evolved to thrive in leaf litter, manure piles, and decomposing material. That's their natural habitat. They're small, usually 2 to 4 inches long, but they are built for one job: eating organic matter and converting it into something extraordinary. A few things make red wigglers special. That band you see, the clitellum, tells you you've got a mature worm. Red wigglers are hermaphrodites, meaning each worm carries both male and female reproductive cells. They still need a partner to mate, but under the right conditions, a healthy population can double every 60 to 90 days. And they have 5 pseudohearts, called aortic arches, pumping blood through their bodies. Small but mighty. Here's where it gets interesting for gardeners. Red wigglers don't just break down organic matter, they transform it. What passes through a worm's digestive system comes out fundamentally changed. Worm castings, that's the polite term for worm poop, are loaded with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in plant-available forms. That means your plant roots can uptake those nutrients immediately, without waiting for additional soil breakdown to happen. No lag time. But the real story is microbial. The worm gut amplifies beneficial bacteria by a massive factor. What comes out of a red wiggler is biologically alive in a way that synthetic fertilizers simply cannot replicate. Castings also contain humic acids, natural compounds that help plants absorb other nutrients more efficiently, and they've been shown to suppress certain soil-borne diseases and harmful pathogens. In practical terms, a 10 to 20% casting blend in your potting mix or garden beds routinely outperforms 100% conventional potting soil. And because castings release slowly and can't burn roots the way synthetic fertilizers can, it's almost impossible to overapply them. So how do you get started? Simple. You need a bin, plastic tote, wooden box, or a purpose-built vermicomposter, bedding material like shredded cardboard or cocoa coir, and your worms. A pound of red wigglers, roughly 800 to 1,000 worms, is the standard starting point. Feed them fruit and vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and eggshells. Avoid meat, dairy, oils, and anything overly salty or processed. Keep the bedding moist, the consistency of a wrung-out sponge, and maintain temperatures between 55 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. In 60 to 90 days, you'll have finished castings ready to harvest. The worms naturally migrate away from finished material, so separation is straightforward. There are 3 main ways to use your castings. First, soil amendment. Work a half-inch layer into your beds before planting season. You're building a foundation. Second, transplant boost. Drop a small handful directly into each planting hole when you set in tomatoes, peppers, or any starts. Roots hit that nutrient-rich zone from day one. Third, casting tea. Steep your castings in water for 24 to 48 hours. Aerate it with a basic aquarium pump if you have one. The result is a liquid that carries the microbial punch of the castings in diluted form. Apply it as a soil drench or foliar spray. Heavy feeders like tomatoes and peppers respond dramatically. The returns are real. Improved germination rates. Stronger root systems. Better drought resistance. More productive plants overall. Red wigglers are one of those things where once you start, you wonder how you ever gardened without them. Low cost to set up, low maintenance to run, and the returns in casting quality are extraordinary. If this is new to you, start with 1 pound of worms and a basic bin. Give it 60 days. Your garden will tell you everything you need to know. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. We cover practical, no-nonsense gardening and soil science every week. And if you want to go deeper on worm castings versus compost, that video is right up next. We'll see you in the garden.